Alright, so I will show you how we can add reviews to a product. I will show one store na ginawa ko bago lang for my client. Okay. Okay, so this is actually the product page. Okay, let's try on mobile na lang. Okay, so this is, I think that I teach you the very basic way to create a product page, and this is actually the product page na like binibenta ko sa mga client ko. So I generated this image. So ang ginagawa lang nila is, and yung binibigay lang nila is, for example, this CJ Dropshipping. This is a supplier. For example, a Chinese company na nagsiship ng mga products namin. And then, main competitor. Dalawa yung main competitor na binigay niya. And then, main angle. So, main angle is healthy energy source with organic vitamins and minerals without sugar and caffeine. Yan lang. So, binibigay lang nila to start with is competitor, another competitor, and CJ Dropshipping. That's, I think we will tackle that when we reach supplier. For now, we will stick to product listing. Okay, so again, ito na yun. So this is the competitor. I just remove the logo and then change it to his logo. And then I just update it a bit kasi medyo plain yung product images niya. So this is how I do. And then I generated this on ChatGPT. Let me show you. Where is it? Here. So this is the product na change ko na. So I think I have a video on my channel where I make AI images. You can just review that, how to do it in ChatGPT. Here. Here. So yeah, I made that all. And then, ito na yun, yung result. And then, this is how it looks like. So this is the product title. And this is a section where we called it USP, or unique selling point, and or emoji benefits. Kasi minsan yung mga customers, ito lang dito, hanggang dito lang sila. And then pag nakita na nila to, actually dollars yan. And then, okay, here. So I added this bundle. Okay. And then I added this, how to take our guarantee, shipping info, and I added this as code, reviews, and I just used the same image here as well. So here I added the reviews. So this is a fake review which I generated in ChatGPT, and because walang buyer na bibili if there's no reviews. And then this is how, this is it. and then I will teach you how to create these reviews. So we have, see, okay, this is Shopify, by the way. I already teach you this or intro you before. So this is the app section of Shopify, and then here are the apps installed to this website. Let's see, Kaching. This is, oh wait, Kaching is a bundle app. So in order for you to have this, you need to have this bundle. I will teach you how to install or how to use Shopify apps soon. So now this is the review that I have used to generate this. Okay, so there are lots of review apps on Shopify. So let's see. Apps. Let's go here now. Okay. Okay, these are all the apps for Shopify. So if your client wants you to look for review app that he can use, you can just type here review. And then all the reviews are here. So pinaka-famous is Looks. So you can see that. It has 4.8. This is real reviews. Di siya napipeke. And then there are 7,000 stores that reviewed this. So yeah, so I'll teach you how to use Looks muna. So there are lots of review apps, but let's start with the famous. So this is how Looks dashboard looks like inside Shopify. So this is the dashboard, and then you will use this manage reviews. Okay, and then you can see all the reviews here. Pwede mo siyang i-unpublish if ayaw mo. If ever may mga totoong reviews na negative, you can see it here and then i-unpublish mo na lang para good standing pa rin yung product mo. And then how to add reviews is here. Import reviews. And then pwede siya pwede mo siyang gamitin using AliExpress links. For example, meron kang AliExpress, and then Sheila, search your product, Sheila cheese sticks. Okay, here, nakikita mo siya dito. However, 42 may review siya, pero 3 lang. Sometimes mga bad reviews pa, so it's better to create your own reviews. See? So dito mo siya ilalagay, custom file. Okay, if wala ka pang template, you can like use this. So let's try. Make a copy. Okay, this is how it looks like. So itong product handle is ito siya. So yung link, and then after yung products, that's the product handle. And ilalagay mo here. And then rating, you add 5, not all 5 though. Lagyan mo din siya ng 4 para realistic. So 4 and 5 lang. And then email, and then the body. The body is the review. And then created at is the date. Let's do it this year. Okay. Photo URL. So for example, my photo yung let's use this. Click, if makahanap ka na reviews na may image, tapos same sa product mo, you can just use it and then right click, copy image address, and then add it here. Okay? So, dito true dapat siya always. Date, you can just change date. Dapat, ano siya, hindi siya sa future. So, since today is March 12, pwede mo siyang lagay dyan. Pati old dates, ganyan. And then, email, you can just copy that. Di naman siya nakikita. Then the name, okay, so, lagay din siya dito. The rating is here. Okay, now let's use ChatGPT. Okay, new chat. And then for the reviews, you start with this. Kunin mo yung link, send mo sa kanya. It is a sticks. 26. Ikaw bahala kung ilan. Customer reviews for this product. So, yeah. Enter. Alright, so, ganyan yung bibigay niya. So, it's hard kapag iisa-isahin mo siyang ganyan. Tapos, name pa dito. So, ang ginagawa ko, do not add name as us. Alright. Then, wait for it. Para mas madali mo lang siyang i-copy. See? And then, yung images na lang. If walang images, okay lang. Huwag mo na lagyan. It's optional naman. Yan lang muna. And then, you save it. Download. So, click File. Download as CSV. And then, go back to your Shopify. And then, upload file. Select file. Here. And then, hindi ko siya pwedeng upload kasi meron na siya. So, yeah. That's how you do it. Okay. Now, ano pa bang kulang dito? Product listing using, okay. Okay. So, this is the product listing using the page template. This is using a page template, by the way. Because if, let's use another store na lang. Bawal tayo dyan. Okay, here. For example, i-add natin siya yung kanina dito. Okay. Compare at, for example, naka 50%. And then, dapat mo siyang i-untrack para hindi siya mag-sold out. I think na cover ko na to sa last video. Then save. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, let's try to do what we did last time. No. Saan ba yun? So let's use the prompt. Okay, and then let's change this. So again, this is how you do basic from my original, from my first video. And then alright, so this is the basic. I teach you this one on my from the part 1. And then ito. So ibang-iba siya sa pinakita ko kanina. So here, because this is built using a template. So hindi mo siya pwedeng lagyan ng ganito kapag naka basic ka lang. See, wala ganito. Pwede siya ganito, pero walang ganito. See, side by side yung image tsaka yung copy niya. Unlike this one na isang hilera lang. Okay, for you to do that, you need to go to sales channels. Wait. Online store. Okay. Here, click mo lang yung sales channels, tapos lalabas yung online store. And then, click mo yan. Andito yung theme na gamit niya, yung current theme. So, this is where you edit the homepage and the whole website actually. So, edit theme. And then, go to product page. Ito. So, pwede kang mag-add ng template. Huwag mong galawin yung default. Just add template. For example, okay, this is how it looks like. And then, if nakikita nyo, naka-ibang product siya. Kasi wala pa siyang naka-assign. Tingnan nyo, 0 and iba is may 37 naka-assign. So, in order for you to show yung product na gusto mo i-assign, balik ka dun sa product na ginawa mo. Here. And then, as you can see, naka-default pala siya. Lagyan mo siya sa new, and then save. And then, pag-refresh mo, andito na siya. Ayan, may naka-assign na siya isa. See? She legit honey sticks. Ayan na siya. This is actually a German store. Ginamit ko lang kasi bawal tayo din sa kabila. Dito, hindi naman to strict na client. Okay. So, click mo dito. See? Product information. Ito yung mga elements. Yeah. And then, ito, makita mo siya. Ito yung description. You can just hide it para hindi siya makita. And then, dito ka mag-add. See? So, add ka na section. Example, gaya natin yung ito. Ito bundle to. So, hindi natin siya pwedeng gawin kasi walang bundle to. Store na to. And may bayad siya. So, client mo yung magbabayad nila. Okay. Ito, pwede natin siyang gawin. Add natin siya dito. See? Ito. Add ka ng emoji. Same lang. So, start sa free shipping. And then, car or truck. Hanapin mo siya dito. Ayan. Next, 30-day guarantee. Click mo lang siya. And then, see? Second heading. And then, heart. Okay. Next. By the way, your client, if bago ka lang, if product listing lang yung tao dito, skills mo muna. Your client won't expect you to do this. This is actually an expert skills. So this is message, I think. Message. Chat bubble. Okay. So, meron ka ng ganito. Next is add collapsible row. See? And then, how to think. See, dito na siya. And then, how to think. Add mo siya dito sa raw content. So, see, and na siya. Pwede mo din siyang i-change yung icon niya dito. Check mark to question. Okay. Next. Another collapsible row. Goods guarantee. Heart. See, ganyan na. Kaya natin lagyan yung shipping. Ito, it's a code actually. So, let's skip that. So, ito. Save. Here, that's another section. Reach text actually. So, this is stars. And then I generated this on ChatGPT, by the way. And then wala siyang button, so let's remove the button. Delete or hide. Same na yan. And then this is image with text. And then, click mo lang to, and then you will see this. Okay. Alright. So, kita na siya. And then, pwede mo to siyang i-center dito. There is a settings here. Pwede mo siyang baliktarin din. See? And then, middle, center. There. And then, pwede mo siyang add ng button. Pwede na ding wala. So, hide natin. And the color scheme, you can change it as well. So, white ang background mo. Okay. And then, text is black. See? Black. And then, another one. Ito. This is multi-column. So, going back. Add section, multi-column. Here. Then again, let's do it in center. Wait. Ayaw niyo mag-center. Okay. This is not in here. So, naka-ano pala siya. Rich text. Okay. And then, and now that na-remove ang lahat. Okay. Then, color, let's change to oops. Hindi ko pala siya pwedeng galawin. Okay, let's add new one. Wait. Balik natin yung sa blue. Kasi live to. And then let's add all naman. So black and text is white. Okay. Alright. So, mag-a-appear na yan siya dito. See? And this should be... So, since, for example, ito, hindi siya, hindi pala same yung color niya. Wait. Hindi ko pala ito. Yan. So, if you can see, masyadong malapit yung heading tsaka top. So, click mo siya and then see this bottom padding. Yan. Pwede mo siyang i-adjust. Tsaka sa taas din. Yan. And then, just copy na lang. Then let's remove down. Padding mo. You can change the color here. Dito din. Edit mo siya. Text ko mo siyang gold. Yan. Pwede mo siya change siya. Stick to white muna for now. And ito, like same lang naman to. Dito. Add ka lang ng section. Okay. So, ito, same lang din. So, guarantee this is rich text. And ito, FAQ. Let's skip and go to FAQ. So, type mo lang FAQ. Okay? Collapsible content pala. Here. FAQ. So, everything is generated with ChatGPT. Okay? And I already gave you a prompt on the last. Wait. Siyang laman. Yan. See? Space. Alright. See? Ganyan lang. Pwede na natin siya i-delete. And then save. Alright. So, ito yung original. And ito yung bago. We're using template. See? So, basic is nasa gilid na siya. And then, ito yung bagong update. No, dapat. Yan. See? See the difference? So, ganyan lang. So, for dito sa reviews, I have shown you already earlier. So, that's fine. Delete na natin ito. Wait. I need to delete the product kasi naka-English siya. And then, yeah. Okay. Ano ba? Okay. Bundle. Okay. Let's try bundle. I'll use one of my client's store. Okay. So, again, sabi ko sa inyo earlier, in order for you to add something like this, you need to go to bundle. I mean, Kaching bundle. Okay. Okay. Ito na lang gawin natin. So, this bundle is made from this. So, you can create bundle and then search, pick kung ano yung bundle na requirement. So, this is only the basic template. Bundle. So, I just use this one. Pwede din yung iba. Like, if your client wanted to add freebies, you will use this. If it's subscription, pwede to. For example, nagbebenta siya ng She Legit Gummies plus another product. Pwede mo itong gamitin. But for this, since it's only buy 1, buy 2, buy 3, I use this. And then, name it. For example, just use your product name here. And then, bundle and save. Pwede mo siyang i-change like limited. Limited. Offer. So, dito siya nag-reflect. Like, then, okay. So, di siya dapat sa all products kasi doon lang siya dapat sa product na ginawa mo. So, use specific select a product and then you select your product. Example this. Okay. And then, meron kasi ibang mga requirements na case-to-case basis kasi. So, you can just base from your client's requirement on how you can set up your bundle. But for this product, I use the basic. Let's do this card. And let's open the bundle that I made yesterday. So, this Harry offer expires dito mo siya. Countdown. Okay. So, Harry offer expire in 15 minutes nakalagay dito. And then, here, para gawin to, add ka ng bar. For example, I'll add one more. So, add quantity break. See? Na-add siya. And then, 4 by 4. So, naka-fixed price kasi ako. So, 89. So, let's do, for example, 25. Title by 4. And then, subtitle. No? Para gawin to, mag-add ka dito sa, for example, most purchase. And then to add free shipping, lagyan mo siya dito. Plus free shipping. Ganyan. Tapos you save 30%. Okay. So to change these colors, dito siya sa style. See? Change card background. Okay. And then selected background. Ito, meaning ito yung selected background. Kung saan yung click mo. Background. Ito. See? And then, ganyan lang naman. Let's discard it kasi may live yun. Yan lang naman. And then, let's see. Okay, let's do the product research on my next live. Probably next week. Yung Discord pala. Alright, I'll add Discord here. Alright, I'll add Discord na lang. Alright, so yeah, stay tuned next week for product research. So I'll show you a bit. So here, this is Facebook Ads Library. So lahat ng ads sa Facebook andito. So free lang siya. So this is the free tool that I will show you next week.
I don't know why it took until 2025 for people to realize how useful this thing really is. Check out these elastic shoelaces. Just pull and click, done. Even kids can do it. No need to bend over frequently to tie your shoes. And it's stretchy but strong. Stays snug whether you're running or chilling.
I'll show you paid tool. This is called Winning Hunter. This is the tool that I use for product research for my client. So, meron na siya, lahat na siya. So, Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, TikTok ads. Tapos, marami pang iba. So, I have, see, there are lots of tools actually to use. So, this is the free tool. This is one of the paid tool. And there are lots of paid tool as well that I will teach you next week. Hopefully, pag day PC. Open. Matagal siya kasi VPN yung gamit ko. So this is called ToolSuite Pro. So may bayad siya. My client is paying this. So lahat ng tool, hindi siya lahat. I mean, yung pinaka famous tool andito na siya, like PP Ads. This is one of the tools as well. PP Spy, Color Data. If you wanted to be a product researcher, you need to familiarize this kasi ito yung mostly na ginagamit ng client. Tsaka Winning Hunter din. Wala siya dito. But my client is paying Winning Hunter directly. Ayun lang. So, see you next week.